Okay, so first here we have the graph, right? And we have to find the amplitude and the period to graph it. So to find the amplitude, you need to get the absolute value of the number that is next to the trigonometric function, right? So in this case, it was 5, it was positive, so it just remained like that. And then to get the period, you have to divide 2 pi by whatever is next to x right here. So that would be 2 pi over pi 5. And I did the orejita method because it's easier for me. Then you get 10 pi over pi. Pi cancels each other out, and then you get 10. So now we have both values and we're ready to graph. And so it's a sine function. So I know that it's going to start from 0, right? And then the amplitude, it's going to go all the way up to 5 and all the way down to -5. And the period finishes when it gets to 10. So the graph has to get all the way up to 5 in 1/4 of 10 and all the way down to -5 in 3/4 of 10, and then cross right here in the middle point, which this would be half period, and this would continue to complete the full period basically. So I didn't have to do the table of values because this is a very easy graph. Thank you, Mister. And so yeah, so I just graphed it, and then here we got the first point, 2.5 and 5, then came down 5 and 0, then came all the way down 7.5 and -5, because remember 5 is the amplitude, and then we finished off the period here at 10x and y equals 0. So yeah, this is the graph of y equals 5 sin times pi x over 5. And this is just very easy stuff. With the sine functions, it's easier for me than the tan functions because you just have to start from 0, go all the way up to the amplitude and all the way down to the amplitude. And then you just know that the half point has to be the half of the period, and then you just graph from there. So have a nice day, mister.